Hey everyone, so I've got my treadmill here that the seller sent this to me so I can go ahead and show you what comes in the box. We're going to put together, then we're going to go over all the features. So when you do receive it, there are just a few little bolts here that you have to use to put together. There's only 4. There's also a couple little bottles here just to go ahead and keep it nice and lubricated, and a little tool to go ahead and adjust the belt tension to. It also does come with this little safety feature, which is a little clip that's magnetically held to the treadmill itself. This end goes to you, so that if you did fall off, it's going to pull this off from the magnetic latch and then turn off automatically. So let's go ahead and put this together, and then I'll show you how it works. So I've got everything put together. It only takes a few bolts to mount the top to these rails right here. And then here is the power button. Let's go ahead and turn it on, and I'll show you the features. So what's great about this treadmill, it's nice and compact size. It can fit into a corner of a room when you're not using it. And when you're ready to use it, it doesn't take up much room at all. It's 19 inches by 45 inches. It does have a capacity of 300 pounds. It also has a speed up to 6 miles per hour. It's got a 2.5 horsepower motor. This display here is adjustable, so you can get it at the right angle that you need to. It also has a cup holder on each side, and then a little section right here you could drop your phone in or even a tablet. When you first turn it on, it's going to show blank, but if you'll take your little safety feature here that I mentioned and put it on there, it's going to go ahead and let you know that it's ready to go. Right now it's an off. I'm going to hit start. It's going to count down. You can adjust your speed either up or down. When I put my hands on the heart rate sensors, it's going to go ahead and show my pulse on the top right corner. And then it's going to go ahead and cycle through time, calories, pulse, speed, and distance. If you'll notice too, right here, we do have QR codes. And it does have an app that you can use this, or you can use it manually. With the app here that I put on my tablet, you can go ahead and create different types of workouts. I'm going to do a quick start. What it's going to do now, it's going to connect by Bluetooth to the treadmill, and then it's going to go ahead and start counting down. And now it's going to go. You'll see here on the app, these other dots, these are people that are actually using this app at the exact same time you are. And it also has music. And it also has a lot of different workouts that you can choose from. This treadmill does have a lot of features, and then when you're through using it, it's really easy to move because it does have wheels on the front to make it easy. Hope you found this review helpful.